Subaru Legacy offers standard all-wheel drive and advanced safety features like pre-collision braking and lane departure warning. The Subaru Legacy is a mid-size sedan that distinguishes itself by offering standard all-wheel drive and a range of advanced safety features. Here are some key points about the Subaru Legacy's all-wheel drive system and safety technologies. Standard all-wheel drive. 1. One of the standout features of the Subaru Legacy is its symmetrical all-wheel drive (AWD) system, which comes standard on all models. 1. Subaru's symmetrical AWD provides enhanced traction, stability, and control in various driving conditions, including snow, rain, and uneven surfaces. 1. By distributing power to all four wheels, the Legacy's AWD system helps maximize grip and improve overall handling and cornering performance. 1. The symmetrical AWD system offers a balanced weight distribution, contributing to the Legacy's responsive and predictable driving dynamics. Advanced safety features. 5. Pre-collision braking. The Legacy is equipped with Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology, which includes pre-collision braking. This system uses cameras to detect potential frontal collisions and can automatically apply the brakes to help mitigate or avoid an accident. 1. Lane departure warning. Another feature of Subaru's EyeSight system is lane departure warning. 1. It utilizes cameras to monitor lane markings and alerts the driver if the vehicle starts to drift out of its lane without signaling. 1. Adaptive cruise control. The Legacy offers adaptive cruise control, which uses radar technology to maintain a set distance from the vehicle ahead. 1. It can automatically adjust the speed to match traffic conditions, providing added convenience and safety during long drives. 1. Blind spot detection. This feature uses radar sensors to detect vehicles in the blind spot zones on the sides of the Legacy. 1. It provides visual and audible warnings to the driver, enhancing safety during lane changes. 1. Rear cross traffic alert. When reversing out of a parking space, the Legacy's rear cross traffic alert system can detect approaching vehicles from the sides. 1. It provides alerts to help the driver avoid potential collisions. 1. Reverse automatic braking. This safety feature, available on certain Legacy models, can apply the brakes if an obstacle is detected while reversing, helping to prevent collisions. 1. Subaru Starlink safety and security. The Legacy offers the Subaru Starlink system, which includes services such as automatic collision notification, SOS emergency assistance, roadside assistance, and stolen vehicle recovery. It's worth noting that Subaru continues to update and improve its safety technologies, so newer models of the Legacy may include additional or enhanced features. For the most accurate and up-to-date information on the Subaru Legacy's all-wheel drive system and safety features, I recommend contacting a Subaru dealership or visiting their official website. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry is a popular mid-size sedan known for its reliability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. Here are some key points about the Toyota Camry, including its performance, features, and safety technologies. Performance. 1. The Camry offers a range of engine options, including efficient 4-cylinder and powerful V6 engines, allowing drivers to choose based on their preferences and performance needs. 1. The base engine is typically a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, delivering a balance of power and fuel efficiency. 1. For those seeking more power, the Camry also offers a 3.5-liter V6 engine, providing increased performance and acceleration. Features. 4. The Camry boasts a spacious and comfortable interior with high-quality materials and user-friendly controls. 1. It offers a range of trim levels, allowing drivers to select the features and amenities that best suit their preferences and budget. 1. Many Camry models come equipped with standard features such as a touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and a rear-view camera. 1. Available features may include leather upholstery, heated seats, a panoramic sunroof, a premium audio system, and advanced smartphone integration. Safety technologies. 8. The Toyota Camry incorporates a variety of advanced safety features to enhance driver and passenger safety. 1. Standard safety features often include a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, which can detect potential frontal collisions and apply the brakes if necessary. 1. Lane departure alert with steering assist helps keep the vehicle within its lane by providing steering assistance if it detects lane drifting. 1. Dynamic radar cruise control maintains a set distance from the vehicle ahead, automatically adjusting the speed to match traffic conditions. 1. Automatic high beams can detect oncoming vehicles and automatically switch between high beams and low beams to optimize visibility without blinding other drivers. 1. The Camry may also offer additional safety features such as blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and a bird's eye view camera system for enhanced awareness and parking assistance. Reliability. 14. Toyota has a reputation for building reliable vehicles, and the Camry is no exception. It consistently ranks high in terms of long-term reliability and durability. 1. Regular maintenance and proper care can contribute to the longevity and dependability of the Toyota Camry. It's important to note that specific features and availability may vary depending on the model year and trim level of the Toyota Camry. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, I recommend contacting a Toyota dealership or visiting the official Toyota website.